welcome. If you have never seen one of my streams before, they're totally professional. You can totally tell by the way that I am just randomly talking to myself. What I like to do is just build fun stuff, whether it's in Minecraft. We were building this Arduino project the other day. I have my degrees in computer science, but I love, love, love education. So pretty much all I do is build things and I like to teach. And I believe teaching is really just learning together and learning how to learn and problem solving. That's what we are here to do. So in the past, oh, it's irritating me. This is not even the right world. Now I'm extremely irritated. It sounds like it's echoey. I'm very annoyed. This is not the right world. All right. I don't really want to rebuild, but I don't know what else to do because that world is gone. I'm just going to try to find some more ocean. Oh my gosh. This is so neat. Look at that. Okay, I think I have an idea. So I'm going to build my house in this thing. Okay, so let's just find a place where we don't see a whole lot of resources, and let's just build another one in here. So remember, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new project, and we're going to make just a square to start. So we're going to call this one house. We're going to place blocks. And remember, we need to do a cube of blocks, which means we need a triple nested array. So then that way we can do the width, the depth, and the height. We're going to call this width, depth. We're going to have another one called height. So instead of index, we're going to do depth, come in here for height, come in here for width. So this is going to be glass, but we are in stone. So I'm thinking maybe we do like gray. We don't want it to be starting exactly where we are. We want it to be offset by us. If we have the platform get created right where we are, it's going to not place the block where we are because it can't place the block where we are because that's where we are. So instead of being at that exact location, we just kind of want to offset where we're creating this. And then we're going to come back in, width be our X, depth be our Z, and height BRY. And I'm just going to offset it by 3 blocks. So basically we're going to create a cube of glass, and then we want to do the exact same thing again. This time we're going to only go to 8, and we want this to be air. And we want to offset it by 1 more each time because we need to have it be inside of the cube. So this should build a hollow cube of glass like that. Hello? So this is definitely called debugging. This is when we have a bug, we can't figure out why. It looks like the code should be right. I'm going to try to just place a block. So let's call block. So that does work. I built it inside of the wall because offset by 3 was a lot more than I expected. So let's go ahead and type house. And this time we're going to stop. So we could see that it started creating the glass right there. We're just going to wait. We're going to give it just a couple minutes, and we're going to let it build its cube. What we've done is build a cube that will eventually be our main dwelling. We're building it underground. We can build our houses underground or underwater because we can use MakeCode to teleport in and out of our house. So let's get some light in here. I can't see. Oh, okay. I don't need, stop. My mouse is like going crazy. Okay, so yep, it looks like our house is built. This is what I like about building it underwater, underground. Like, whoa, there's just this awesome something over here. It's just kind of neat to be able to build something and then have it just, I don't know, there's like a little thing over there. Who knows what everything is. So what we could do instead is we could, instead of having the 4 cubes be connected, we could have it be where each of the cubes is just in a different place, and then you have to just use the secret passageways to get through them. I think that would be kind of fun. So let's try to get that MakeCode to work where you break a certain type of block or something like that, or you go to a certain area and then it teleports you. So we definitely at least need a script to get us home. Let's call this arrive. What we would like to do is we want to teleport to the world location. Thank you. I requested a delivery of water. 1322, 25, and 179. Perfect. If we run over here and then we do arrive, we should get here. So now if we were to come way up here, so let's build another one, and we're going to call this one depart. Negative 1313, 99, and 562. So now if we were to do arrive, we'd be home. Hi, home. And if we were to do depart, we would be at the top of our mountain. Pretty cool, huh? There we go. By the way, if you do ever build something with Minecraft, even if it's not with MakeCode, but especially if it's with MakeCode, definitely tag me on Twitter. My Twitter is Sarah Gutholz. This kind of reminds me, okay, now I have like an idea of something I really want to do inside of Minecraft and then turn this into just like a multiplayer game and invite people to play with me. Wouldn't it be really neat if we played Clue? Because this reminds me of the OG like Clue game, but when I played when I was little, I would go to the little like hidden staircase and then I'd be like just imagining in my head like crawling through this little hidden staircase and teleporting and like all of this stuff, and I just wish that it was real, and now I really want to build like a Clue game. And we could totally do it because we could like add in some randomness, we could have characters, we could like limit it to however many, 9 or whatever characters it was, and we could randomly choose one character and one like weapon and one room, and like, oh my gosh, this would be so epic. Tell me if you want to build Clue with me inside of Minecraft, because that would be so much fun.